First time Mom and I have ever been on an adventure. How are you feeling, Mom? Are you excited?
Oh, very excited.
Shades on. Ready? Okay. You use the bathroom? Okay. What do you have in the bag, Mom? Goodness.
I don't know what's getting lost out there.
Somebody didn't like the no littering sign. First thing we need to find is a snake tester. Just in case there's any snakes out here. You know what this is? It's part of a cypress tree.
Yeah, they grow in the water by the lake. There's little
Yep,
nubs.
yep, little nubbies. Look, there's another one, little nubby. Well, 5 minutes in, we both had to do pee breaks. Over here, we have an air plant. And they're called air plants, you can probably guess, because they live in the air. Air plant, air plant, air plants everywhere. There's the palm tree. And it's got some orange moss growing down. Isn't that cool? If you're hiking the woods, this is the thing you don't want to step on.
Okay,
Because that's where yellow jacket nests are, right in there. I learned the hard way, believe me. That stuff, you don't want to step on that.
okay.
Or that. Every time you see dead wood, do not step on it. Look, there's deer tracks right here. See it? And those are, these tracks right here are off-roading
Bikes?
bike trails. She's coming. They're really sturdy. Whoa. I almost fell on that root. Look, Mom, no feet. Civilization. Are you scared? No idea where we're going from here? Well, we'll figure it out. Let's go get lost, Mom.